Welcome to Edupedia World Videos. This is the course Linux Operating Systems Basics with Vagish Kumar. And right now what we are doing is VI Editor on Linux. So we have covered various modes in VI Editor, which are the command mode, insert mode, escape mode, and we have learned some of the basic as well as the advanced commands in VI Editor. So we have also learned how to replace the strings inside VI Editor using simple commands. And then we have also learned the visual mode of VI Editor. If you want to learn all of that, you can just refer to our previous videos on VI Editor. Okay, in this particular video, what we'll be doing is we will be learning how to edit two files simultaneously in VI Editor. So first of all, you just open any one of the two files that you want to edit. So like I have opened over here temp.c. Now suppose I want to open one more file along with this. What I'll do is I'll enter colon and then sp. So sp is the command to split the screen into two. Okay, so now you can give the name of the other file that you want to open and press enter. So it will horizontally split your screen into two. You can see that over here on the top is the temp2.c file and on the bottom is the temp1.c file, but your cursor at the current time is in the first location, so it is only in the temp1.c file. So how to move into the second half of this particular screen? So to do that, what you have to do is you have to press Ctrl W and then it will take you to the second half, but you have to press W twice. So you have to keep on pressing the Control key and then press W 2 times and it will take you to the second half of the screen. Okay, by pressing W twice, you will actually be taken to the second half of the screen. So if you want to go to the second file, just press Control, then 2 times press W. Keep on holding Control key, so you don't have to leave Control key while doing this. Okay, so that is how you can go to the second half. Now you can also copy and paste things from one part to another. Suppose I want to copy this line from over here, these three lines. So I'll just select them by entering to the visual mode. By pressing V, I enter into the visual mode. Then to copy, I'll press Y. Okay, that will copy this particular set of lines which I had highlighted. Then I can press Ctrl W and then it will take me to the second file, and then over here you can press P, so it will get pasted over here. So that is how you can copy first file and paste it into the second file. So that comes in handy when you have to reuse your code from some other file to some other file, and that also comes in handy when you have to refer to some other file while writing your code. Now in this case, what you have seen is that our splitters horizontal. Okay, so the screen has been split horizontally into two parts. So one part is towards the top, the other part is towards the bottom. Now if you don't want that, if you want to open two files side by side, okay, horizontally, so you want to split the screen vertically, so to do that, instead of sp, you just enter vsp and then enter the name of the file that you want to open in the split mode. So in that case, your screen would be split vertically and you can press Ctrl W to switch to the other window. Okay, so that is how you can work on this VI editor, by splitting files and opening them side by side. This was how you can open the files side by side on VI editor and work on them. You can also, by the way, use split simply, and what it will do is it will open the same file twice. Okay, so in both in the upper part as well as the lower part, it will open the same file. Now how is this useful? Okay, so because you are opening the same file 2 times, why and how is this useful? So many times it happens with programmers that their file is around 1,000 of lines in length and you want to concentrate on two parts. So on the top part you can open your function definition, you can see how to use those functions, and on the bottom part you can actually call those functions. So it will help you to refer to a function from top part to bottom part, or you can also copy and paste things from the top part to the bottom part, so that will also help you in these things. So I hope that you understood how to work on two files side by side on VI editor. You can also open multiple files. Okay, so you can call VI split multiple times, so it will open more than two files. Now in this case, you can press Ctrl W and it will take you once in each of these opened blocks, and you can edit whichever file you want to edit. Continue to watch the course Linux Operating System Basics. Thank you.